How to manage type 2 diabetes and live a full healthy life. Did you know that you hold the power to manage type 2 diabetes and live a full healthy life? It's true. With the right tools and support, you can keep your blood sugar in check, avoid complications, and stay energized. Team up with your health squad. You're not alone in this fight. Managing diabetes is like building a team of superheroes to help you win. Here's who's on your side. Doctors and nurses. They'll check your blood sugar, prescribe medicines, and answer your questions. Think of them as your coaches. Dietitians. They teach you how to eat delicious, healthy meals. No boring diets, just smart swaps. Diabetes educators. They show you how to check your blood sugar, give insulin shots if needed, and stay active. Family and friends. They cheer you on and remind you to stay on track. Why it works? Teamwork makes it easier. Regular checkups and blood tests, like the HbA1c test, which shows your average blood sugar over 3 months, help you see your progress. Fuel your body like a pro. Your body is like a car. It needs premium fuel, not junk to run smoothly. Here's how to eat smart. Choose green light foods. Veggies and fruits. Carrots, broccoli, apples, and berries are packed with vitamins. Whole grains, brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread keep you full longer. Lean proteins, chicken, fish, beans, and tofu build muscle without spiking sugar. Avoid red light foods. Sugary drinks. Soda, juice, and energy drinks act like sugar bombs in your blood. Processed snacks, chips, cookies, and candy give quick energy but crash fast. Try this. Fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Why it works? Healthy foods keep your blood sugar steady and give you energy all day. Move more, feel better. Exercise is your secret weapon. It is like a magic pill for diabetes. It helps your body burn more and more sugar. You don't need a gym, just move more. Walk 10-minute walks after meals add up. Dance, turn on music and groove in your living room. Play shoot hoops, ride a bike, or play tag with kids. Goal, aim for 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Even small bursts count. Why it works. Exercise lowers blood sugar fast and makes you feel happier. Medicines, helpers when you need them. Sometimes diet and exercise aren't enough. That's okay. Medicines are like backup players for your team. Pills that help. Metformin tells your liver to make less sugar. Sulfonylureas help your pancreas release insulin, the key that unlocks cells to use sugar. SGLT2 inhibitors make your kidneys pee out extra sugar. Let's talk about injections. First, we have insulin. It replaces the insulin your body isn't making. And don't worry, it's not scary. Tiny needles make it painless. Then, there are GLP-1 meds, like Ozempic. These slow digestion and help you feel full. Why does it work? Well, these medicines fill in the gaps to keep your blood sugar in check. Stay alert, stay safe. Check your blood sugar and be a detective. Checking blood sugar is like solving a mystery. It shows how food, exercise, and stress affect you. Here's how to check your blood sugar. First, prick your finger with a tiny lancet. It doesn't hurt much, really. Next, put the blood drop on a test strip. Finally, read the number on your glucose meter. Now let's talk about goal numbers. Before meals, aim for 80 to 130 milligrams per deciliter. Think of it like a calm river. After meals, it should be less than 180 milligrams per deciliter. No big waves. Why does this work? Spotting patterns helps you fix problems early. Handle highs and lows. Stay safe. Low blood sugar or hypoglycemia feels like shaking, sweating, dizziness, or hunger. Fix it fast. Eat 15 grams of sugar, like 4 glucose tablets, half a cup of juice, or 1 tablespoon of honey. High blood sugar or hyperglycemia feels like extreme thirst, blurry vision, or tiredness. Fix it fast. Drink water, take a walk, and call your doctor if it stays high. Quick action stops emergencies like passing out or hospital visits. Mindset matters, stay positive. Diabetes can feel overwhelming, but progress beats perfection. Celebrate small wins. Did you choose veggies over fries? High five. Talk about it. Share your feelings with friends or a counselor. Stress raises blood sugar. Join a group, online communities, or local clubs connect you with others who get it. A happy mind helps your body heal. Your game plan. 3 steps to start today. 1. Swap 1 sugary drink for water or herbal tea. 2. Take a 10-minute walk after dinner. 3. Write down your blood sugar numbers in a notebook or app. Remember, You're in control. Every healthy choice adds up. Ask for help. Your health squad is there for you. Never give up. Even bad days can turn around. Subscribe for more life-changing health tips.